Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to Bluetooth a Dodge Caravan. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on and the radio system has power. Next, grab your mobile device and confirm its Bluetooth feature is turned on and set to discoverable mode. It's also a good idea to park your Caravan in a safe, stationary spot so you can fully concentrate on the pairing steps without distraction. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection. Now, let's move to your Caravan's Uconnect system. Locate and press the phone button on the dashboard or steering wheel. Once the phone menu appears, you'll want to select the option that says Pair a Device or Add Device. The Uconnect system is designed to guide you through the next steps with clear voice prompts, so listen carefully to its instructions as you proceed with the pairing process. With your phone ready, look for Uconnect in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your mobile screen and select it. Your Caravan's display will then show a unique 4-digit PIN. Carefully enter this exact PIN into your phone when prompted. Finally, confirm the pairing request on both your mobile device and the Uconnect system to finalize the connection. This establishes the secure link. Congratulations, your device is now paired. To confirm everything is working, try making a quick test call. Listen to ensure the audio comes through your Caravan speakers. You can also play some music from your phone to verify successful audio streaming. Moving forward, your device should automatically reconnect to the Uconnect system whenever you re-enter the vehicle, making your drives more convenient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.